Hello and welcome to class everyone. So today we will see the controlling of process with the help of signal. So basically a signal is a software interrupt that is delivered to a process. Signal a report event to an executing program. Event that generate a signal can be error or an external event or by explicit use of a signal sending command or keyboard sequence. So we will see there are some number of signals which we have to use in order to control the process. First, SIGHUP. What is the meaning of SIGHUP? SIGHUP is known as hang up. It is known as the report termination of a controlling process of a terminal. Also request process reinitialization or configuration reload. And the signal number will be 1. On the same time, the second will be sig int. SIGINT means it is known as keyboard interrupt. Case program termination. It can be blocked or handled sent by pressing the interrupt key sequence. And we have used it. The name is CTRL, means control plus C. And what is the signal number? It will be 2. Third one, sig quit. So it is known as keyboard quit. It is similar to SIGINT, but it is going to add a process dump. It is going to add a process dump at termination. And if you want to send by the keyboard sequence or key sequence, then it will be control plus backslash. CTRL plus backslash. After it, there are two more importance. So there is a huge number of signal, but some of them are usually used in our organization. So what are the signal name and number? One is sig term. So if you want to terminate your program, you are going to use the sig term and the number will be 15. After it, there is one sig kill. Sig kill help you to kill the process. And what is the signal number? Will be 9. Okay. So what is the syntax that we have to use? First, write the kill, then hyphen. You have to write sig signal name. You have to write the signal name. Or you can type the signal number also. Then process ID. Process ID means ID of the process which is running in your system. Kill hyphen signal number you can type. So signal number. And last you have to type process ID, PID. So you can use any one of method if you want to control the process. Now we will see there is some basic difference between sig term and sig kill. If you are using sig term, which signal number is 15. So it is known as default signal. If you are running with the help of command kill and you forget to mention the signal name or number and you're just giving the PID, process ID. So by default, they will consider that it is going to use the signal number 15, means sick term. Sick term means it is going to terminate the process graceful manner. Sick kill means it is going to terminate the process or it is going to kill it forcefully. So it will come under the sick kill. Okay, guys. So that's all. Some important signals which help us to control our process. We will see other things in the next video. Thank you.